These are the eastern edges of Brazil's Amazon region. It's home to several indigenous communities, like the Guajajara, the largest group here. But despite their relative isolation, communities all across the Amazon region have been hit by the COVID-19 pandemic. Official figures report almost 30,000 infections among Brazil's indigenous communities and more than 450 deaths. In March, the Defense and Health Ministries began this COVID-19 operation to assess the situation in indigenous lands and provide medical assistance where necessary. So far, they say they have been to communities that are home to a total of about 125,000 people, less than 20% of roughly 750,000 Indians living on Brazilian reservations.
We are testing everybody that comes for us for the coronavirus. And after this initial testing, they go to another triage to check if they need any further assistance from other healthcare professionals.
My children were all coughing, and I could hear something on her chest. So I brought them in to be checked. I heard about this coronavirus, but I don't know much about this. They're only coughing. God forbid it will be this coronavirus.
It wasn't. All the results came back negative for this family. But the Guajajara have not abandoned their traditional medicines either. Often symptoms are treated with local plants prescribed by healers.
We prepare the beverages with plants from our region and give to our people. This one, for example, we have used a lot recently. It's made from this tree bark.
Most of the people we have been speaking to here welcome this emergency operation, even if many do have complaints about the broader policies of President Bolsonaro's administration towards Brazil's indigenous populations.
The family of Cacique João Guajajara, one of the leaders in the Morro Branco village, say they are worried about the changes the Bolsonaro government has made to the federal agency responsible for indigenous affairs.
When we watch the news, we don't see the president speaking in the name of the Indians. He never does. Before, the indigenous agency helped us with everything, but not anymore. How can they? They don't have the resources. If they don't have them, how can they give them to us?
The Guajajara people consider their body paintings a way to shield them from danger, but they seem well aware that body paint is not enough to protect them from COVID-19. Paulo Cabral, CGTN, Maranhão, Brazil.